What up, guys? It's your dude and your boy Donovan the Radical Gamer, and I just remember the little fountains in the Seaside Kingdom. I got all of them, and now we're fighting the octopus guys. So let's get to it. And I know what to do. I know exactly what to do. Gotta get one of these guys. Guys, I'm about to see what's gonna happen. There you go. Basically gotta do that. Oh no. There you go. Basically gotta do that. Alright. And do remember that in my last video I said I was sick, and I still am. So, oh. Come back. Oh. Go. Come back. No. No. There we go. Nice. Gonna get that heart. Thank you. Come back, fool. Okay, let me... Sorry. That's my bad. Let's see. Let's try to outmaneuver this dude. Come back. No. I know that would happen. There we go. Oh no. No. Come back, fool. There we go. No. Got him. Uh-oh. Oh god, his head, he's so mad. Mind blower. Mind blowing. That's cool. That's the sparkle water. Yeah, we got the multi-moon. Nice. The glass is half full. Alright, well. Now what? My goodness, what a pretty sunset. And it's so nice that the fountains and the sparkle water are back. But it doesn't seem like Bowser is in this kingdom anymore. Shall we head to the next? My bad. Is that it? Yeah, I guess that was it. So, alright, let's check out the... Oh, we can't. We need 10 more moons. Alright, let's go find some then. Let's go find us some moons. Let's go up here. Hello. Whee! Ow. There we go. Whee! So let's go in here. Hello. The treasure hidden in this room is so cunningly hidden, your eyes will be of no use. You must feel the ground beneath you with exquisite care. Good luck, my friend. Oh. Is this the one where I gotta, like, do this a bunch? Alright, let's see if I can find it. Found Goombas. I haven't found nothing yet. Okay, I give up. Alright, let's keep exploring. What's in here? Oh, guess we can't go in there yet. Oh, hint art. What's this? Keep. Okay. Yes, beach volleyball is back. Hi, Talk to. Ah, relaxation. This is good. I wish this could be my summer break. Beach house. The sparkle water overflows much as... Oh. Sorry. To fully enjoy the pleasures of bubbling, you must wear clothes you can exteriorly relax in. You are not dressed for the hard relaxing resort life at all. You may not come in. Okay. If only I could have some flowers to water and care for. There's nothing in this place. Can you volley the ball 15 times? Let's see. This is our beach volleyball court. Have you played? You might enjoy it. Just touch the ball to return it. The volleyball continues until the ball hits the ground. What? There you go. It's easy. Oh, it's like the jump rope in New Donk City. Speed up. Whee! I'm at 6. Ah, get off the court. Aw. Jump and spike it. Oh, that's the spike it? Okay. Get on the court. You just told me to get off. this guy's mean. Alright, come on. I can spike it. Hoo-ya. Oh. First it says get off the court. And then it says get on the court. What do you want me to do? Oh, I'm sick. I hate being sick. Alright, I want to try to spike it. Hoo-yah! That didn't really work. Hoo-yah! Alright, they said 13, right? 13 it is. Come on. The best was 7. I already beat my high score. Oh. There we go. There we go. 13. 14. 15. Oh, is that 15? 16. 17. 18. 19. Ah. Cool, I got a moon. Beach volleyball champ. I am a champ. Is there another goal? 100 times? Of course. No, I'm not doing that. Hey, you. Dolphin. Dolphin dude. Hey, come back. Okay, here we go. Welcome aboard. I bought everything here. Alright, let's get a moon. Bye. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you, actually. Shopping in Bubbling. We got a life apart. Now good. If you simply just get to the top of the lighthouse, you can climb that pole. Okay. Wait, there's some here. There's just coins? Seriously? Okay. Go. Go. What do you want? That guy is obsessed with seeing someone fly from the here to the glass place. Everybody likes different stuff, I guess. Do you want me to fly all the way over there? Alright, let's try it. Whee! You did it! Your flight was truly an amazing sight to behold. Please take this as a token of my gratitude. Lighthouse Leaper. Oh, we got enough moons to go to the next kingdom. Your majestic flight will be scorched forever into my ice sockets. Ice stocks, I said. I meant to say. Glide on can't climb. I mean, swim. I forgot about that. Alright, we have enough moons, I guess, so let's check out the next kingdom. How much is that? That's 269. Odyssey has powered up. Cool. Sweetness. Alright, what's the next kingdom? We're going up now. Now we can get to the Snow Kingdom. Watch out, Bowser. Alright, so the next one's the Snow Kingdom. Let's check it out. Still got like 2 more minutes, so skip the movie. I skipped those parts. So Bowser wants to make a toast using the sparkle water. Sounds like his way preparations are moving along. Seeing as he has some time to kill, let's use some useful skills. Cap, throw, and hold. But there it is. Let's check out the Snow Kingdom next. Brr, it's so cold, and it sounds like the races in town are quite popular. And the prize is frosted cake. Sounds delicious. Now I'm craving like ice cream or something. Shiveria. Brr. Freezing. The Cake Thieves parting gift. Cool. Well, we'll do that next time. Alright? Sounds good? Okay. Good. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. Actually, let me check if it's actually recording this. Yes, it is. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and ring the bell to get notifications on my other videos. And so I guess we're doing the Snow Kingdom next. I'm really sorry if I blew your speakers because of my cough, and if I haven't been doing a bunch of videos. I've been busy, and you know how it goes. And I'll see you guys next time. Stay radical. Peace, y'all.